Shadow work refers to the process of exploring and integrating the hidden or suppressed aspects of ourselves. It is crucial for personal growth as it allows us to confront our fears, traumas, and negative patterns. Tarot cards serve as a powerful tool in shadow work by providing insights and guidance from the subconscious mind. Through tarot readings, individuals can uncover deep-seated issues, gain clarity on emotional blocks, and work towards healing and transformation. The symbology and imagery in tarot cards help us delve into our psyches, facilitating self-reflection and awareness. The Fool card in tarot symbolizes new beginnings, innocence, and a leap of faith. In shadow work, it represents the willingness to embark on a journey of self-discovery and explore uncharted territories within oneself. The Fool encourages us to embrace uncertainty and take risks in order to grow and evolve. It signifies a clean slate and a fresh perspective, urging us to release old baggage and embrace the unknown with optimism. This card prompts us to trust in the universe and follow our intuition towards personal transformation. The Tower card in tarot signifies sudden upheaval, destruction of old structures, and enlightenment. This card often represents a powerful awakening or revelation that brings about significant change in one's life. In shadow work, the Tower card acts as a catalyst for confronting deep-seated fears, breaking down illusions, and shattering barriers that hinder personal growth. It encourages individuals to embrace transformation, let go of attachments to the past, and face their inner demons courageously. The Tower's lightning bolt symbolizes divine intervention and the stripping away of falsehoods to reveal the truth. The Moon card in tarot represents intuition, the subconscious mind, and hidden truths. It serves as a mirror to our deepest emotions and fears, urging us to explore the uncharted territories of our psyche. The Moon card symbolizes the importance of trusting our instincts and delving into the realm of dreams and illusions. In shadow work, this card guides us to uncover buried thoughts, confront unresolved issues, and acknowledge our innermost desires. By embracing the moon's mysterious energy, we can unveil the secrets of our soul and navigate the shadows within us. The Devil card in tarot symbolizes bondage, materialism, and inner limitations. It represents the ways in which we may be trapped by our own desires, addictions, or negative beliefs. In shadow work, the Devil card serves as a powerful mirror to confront our ego-driven behaviors and patterns that hold us back from true growth. By acknowledging and addressing these destructive tendencies, we can break free from self-imposed chains and reclaim our personal power. The Devil card challenges us to release attachments to the material world and embrace a deeper spiritual understanding of ourselves. The High Priestess card in tarot embodies intuition, mystery, and profound wisdom. It symbolizes the subconscious mind and the untapped potential within us. In shadow work, the High Priestess card encourages us to trust our inner guidance and delve into the depths of our psyche fearlessly. By embracing the unknown and exploring our subconscious realms, we can uncover hidden truths, unravel mysteries, and develop a deeper connection to our spiritual selves. The High Priestess invites us to listen to our intuition, seek spiritual enlightenment, and embrace the power of introspection for personal growth. In conclusion, the key tarot cards for shadow work beginners play a vital role in self-exploration and growth. The Fool, the Tower, the Moon, the Devil, and the High Priestess cards offer valuable insights into different aspects of the shadow self and provide guidance for personal development. Moving forward, it is recommended for individuals to continue exploring tarot as a tool for shadow work by engaging in regular card readings, journaling their reflections, and seeking mentorship or guidance from experienced practitioners. Integrating tarot into shadow work practice can lead to profound transformation and deeper understanding of the self.